guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all things spring. I will be sharing my top 10 tricks on how you can bring in spring on a budget. Keep in mind, these are things that I have used to implement in my own and personal home. So starting off with tip number 1, and that is a clean house is a spring ready house. So a few months ago, I started my spring cleaning, and the first thing I did was open up my windows to allow the bad smells out and the natural air to flow in. This works really well, especially if you're on a budget. You want to clean, you want to dust, you want to clean your floors. It's free, it's simple, and it's easy. Tip number 2 is organization. You guys saw my laundry room reveal, and I really do love the space. I think being organized is definitely important into your home because everything has its proper place and you know exactly where to find it. Over the past several months, I've shared different areas of my home with you guys, including the laundry room, my closet. So this brings me into tip number 3. Now that the house is clean and is organized, you want to do some sort of freshener. If you don't like candles, essential oils are just really great. Here is just a few of the essential oils that I have been using and loving. Tip number 4 and 5, which I love, which is your styling in the coffee table. With this, there are 3 key points for me when it comes to design, and that is a wood element, floral, and also a metal. The metal acts as a sheen or a bling factor. For the wood, I do a mix. As you can see now, my coffee table, the tray is dark, so it allows a dark tone to come into the room without sacrificing any light. Again, this may be very different for you when it comes into your home. However you see fit to design your home is going to be to your liking. Pretty much, I'm just giving you guys tips that have worked for me in my home. By implementing these 3 elements, this allows me to transition my house from summer to spring to fall and also the Christmas holiday, where I'm not really sacrificing storage, nor am I sacrificing the end goal of the design. As you can see now that I'm showing you, you'll find these 3 elements all around my home, from my console table to my dining room table. The table is wood, the mirrors act as a metal, and you can see the floral arrangements on top. Now, my dining room is a little different, not a little bit, but a lot different from this picture here. What I wanted to do is show you what the space looked like last year. And here is just an updated look of the dining room. Now, I'm still working on this space, but if you want to see updated pictures, definitely feel free to check out my Instagram. I upload pictures at least once or twice a week. So now the image that you're seeing now is in my master bedroom. My bachelor hutch is a wood, and as you can see, my lamp is a cement and it has a gold tone in it. When it comes to the pieces that I select, I like them to be feminine, minimal, with an impact. And as you can see now with this piece here, although it's cement, having that gold tone around it really softens it, creates a really nice and feminine look without being too literal. You won't find any pinks in my home, unfortunately. It's just not really my thing, but I do know the pinks are a really popular color. So definitely keep those things in mind when you're looking and picking up your own decor. Now, moving on to the sitting room, I wanted you guys just to see again the wood, the metal, mirror, and also the floral arrangement. And I will be touching base on the books here shortly. But going on to this beautiful floral arrangements, I do know that floral arrangements can be really pricey, and this is why we're going to go ahead and jump into tip number 6, and that is going to be Hobby Lobby. I love their floral selection and they're always on sale. So I wanted to just show you guys really quickly because the price right now is 50% off all floral stems. Hydrangeas are really popular right now, and these are $9.99, so you get that 50% off. I have been seeing a lot of tulips around, and these are $3.99 and 50% off. So you could get some really fresh floral arrangements at a discount. I love flowers in the home, whether they are fresh flowers or silk flowers. I feel like they add this sense of liveliness into the space. But if floral arrangements aren't your thing, think about some greenery. This one here, I ended up finding it on clearance at Haverty's. Another quick tip, which is really affordable, I went into Home Goods and I purchased this glass vase. It was about $12, and I found these lemons that was $10 for a box, and I ended up grabbing 2 boxes. The colors are bright and vibrant, and the price is right, and I'm able to use these year round. Moving on to my number 7 tip, and that is going to be books. Books are just a really great, inexpensive decor that can add colors into your home. The yellows, the blues, the purples, and for this, Goodwill is definitely my friend. Now, I have books all around the house, including my office and even the living room, my coffee table. One thing that I will say is going to the Goodwill, you offer your home a custom design. Here are just some of the books that I picked up. Clearly, we all go and we shop at the same store, so we end up with the same books and sometimes even the same decor. Going into the Goodwill, you get a chance to just shop around and look at different books. But something else that I want to just mention to you guys is pulling back the cover. A lot of the times, if you're not interested in the paper, the hardback book itself offers the color that you're looking for. So I always say take the paper off, look at the book, examine it to see if it's something you're interested in. Now, I've been seeing a lot of the Tom Ford books rotating around Instagram, and I think they're just a really great piece of decor, but it is really expensive. This book here was only $1.50, and it has that black and white element. Backtracking just a little bit, I wanted to show you guys 4 and 5, and this is on the bookcase. So you have the dark wood, you have your greenery, which is the plant, you have your metal, which is this piece here, which I picked up from Home Goods, and then off to the side, I have my books. Again, I found them all at the Goodwill, and the hardback books are $1.50, and I believe the soft ones are 75 or 50 cents, so it's really affordable. Here is just a wide view of my living room. Again, this is an older video image that you're seeing. Certain things have changed. I will be giving you guys an update on that shortly. So moving on to tip number 8 and 9, which is going to be pillows and also textures. I uploaded this video last year speaking about the pillows, and I will say this: you want to pay attention to scale, the pattern on your pillows. What I'm going to be showing you now are just areas of my home where I have pillows all around. Now, keep in mind that my home is very monochromatic, and the reason why I did this, having the pillows that I purchased allows me to shop my home. So the pillows can be used whether they're going into my living room space, or they're going into my bedroom, or just in my office or wherever, which is why I kept things really monochromatic. And this whole entire decor scheme of what I'm sharing with you guys, if you have caught on, you will see the more substantial statement pieces, I've pretty much left them alone. The things that I am changing out are really the small, inexpensive items, which is why I say it is really important to pay attention to what you're purchasing. If you're having an issue with pillows, one of the tips that I want to share with you guys are pillow casing. So even if you make an investment into a pillow, don't think you're going to be changing out the pillow. Think you're going to be changing out the casing. By doing so, you're not sacrificing space. You just change it out, you fold it, and you put it with the rest of your linen. And then when the season change, you also change it. Keeping my home monochromatic allows me to add that pop of color, which I love. It makes the colors more vibrant, they pop a whole lot more, and I have a little bit more free will to stay on trend with the ever-changing elements in interior design. Going into tip number 10, which is my last tip, and that is layering, and again, texture, which is going to be incorporated in the bedding. So again, we're going to touch bases on the pillows, your throws, your accent pieces. These are things that you can really change and incorporate differently into your space. And here is just a quick overview of my space. I want to just stress this one more time. Keep in mind that this look is going to look very different for everyone. But now that the video is coming to an end, what I wanted to do is share with you guys what my updated living room currently looks like. And that will be it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't already, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you would like to see a a Style With Me coffee table, leave that down below and let me know, and I'll have that coming at you soon. I'll see you guys later. Bye.